beautiful scorpion. And this one is grasshopper, beetle, cricket. It's small cricket, small grasshopper. One more insect, brown cricket, stick cricket. More insect. I think it's couple. Now they are sleeping. Cockroach, cockroach, but it's brown color. Grasshopper. It's very long. Caterpillar. Cockroach, cockroach. Wow, and this is ladybug. This one is ant. You can see it's small. It's mantis. Mantis, small baby mantis. And this one is called blister beetle. It's grasshopper. And this one is water beetle. Wow, so beautiful. Mantis. Yes. And this one is earwig. You can see on my hand. Wow, beautiful scorpion. It's so beautiful and so scary. And this one is grasshopper, big grasshopper. Yes, grasshopper. And this one is beetle. This one is beetle. It's still alive. Beetle, small beetle. And this one is cricket. It's small cricket. Yeah, small cricket. Small and black cricket. Sorry, black cricket. Black cricket. It's so beautiful. And then this one is small grasshopper. Small grasshopper. Yes. Wow, we run so fast. Yes, this one is small grasshopper. Yes, and this one is, it's called earwig. Earwig. This is one more earwig. Earwig. And this one is, and this one more insect. But I'm not sure what does it call. But it's so beautiful. And this is one more insect. Well, it's so beautiful. You can see, it's so beautiful. And this one is brown cricket. Brown cricket. Wow, he ran so fast. Wow, yes, I caught him. Wow, this one is so beautiful. Yeah, wow, sorry. It's so beautiful. Now he ran away. Yeah, this is one more. It look like stick uh, stick cricket. It called stick cricket. Wow, now you can see a lot of termite. Termite are now moving to another place. You can see a lot of termite is running to another place. Yeah, wow, it's so beautiful. Beautiful termite. Yeah. Yeah. This one is very big. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, and this is two more insects. I think it's couple. Now they are sleeping. But it's so beautiful. Wow. Now they run away. Wow, now I found one more insect. It's called cockroach. Cockroach. Yes, I count him now. Cockroach. Yes, and now this is one more cockroach, but it's brown color. It's not black. You can see cockroach. It's small than another one. Wow, now he ran away. And this is one more insect. It's beautiful. You can see it's so beautiful. And this one is grasshopper. Grasshopper. Wow, now you can see it's very long. Caterpillar. Now he is sleeping. Caterpillar. Wow, so beautiful. Beautiful caterpillar. Wow, this is I found one more cockroach. Cockroach. Yes, it's so beautiful. Yes, this cockroach is so beautiful. Now you can see clearly. Cockroach. And now I found another cockroach, but it's very small. This is the baby cockroach. You can see three cockroach around here. Yes, three. Wow, and this is ladybug. Brown ladybug. It's so beautiful. Ladybug. Brown ladybug. Yeah. Now he is sleeping. Now he is sleeping. Brown ladybug. And this is one more cockroach. Cockroach. Yes. Cockroach. This one is ant. You can see it's small. He is running. This is the ant. Yeah, ant. Yeah, this one is ant. And you can see this one is mantis. Mantis, small baby mantis. You can see it's so beautiful. Beautiful baby mantis. Yeah, you can see small mantis. It's so beautiful. And this one is black cricket. You can see it's black cricket, not brown. But this one is brown cricket. This one is brown cricket. Yes, it's different, not the same. It's the same cricket, but it's different color. Wow, he ran so fast. Yeah, now I caught him. And this one I'm not sure. I'm not sure. What does it call? Yeah, it's very small. Very small. And this one is called blister bitter. This one. Wow, it's very hot. Blister bitter. Wow, now I found the big grasshopper. Very big grasshopper. Wow, and this one is water bitter. This one is called, it's called water bitter. Yes, water bitter. Water bitter. Wow, finally I found mantis. You can see it's so beautiful. Mantis, mantis is sleeping. Wow, so beautiful. Mantis. Yes, mantis. So beautiful, mantis. Now I put him. And this one is earwig. You can see on my hand. This is earwig. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Earwig. It's called earwig. Now he running, moving to another place. You can see it's so beautiful. Wow, now you can see another insect around here. Wow, a lot of insects sleeping on this tree. You can see. Wow.